Hello, here we are at the national winner, Argenton Old Birds. The national winner is Esther Vereecke van Beerzel, province Antwerp. Her winning hen is Miss Hastings. Very nice small hen, but the top performing lady. Her ring number is B2160425594. This hen won before also a first prize on the short distance and won also the 97th national on Veerzel against 21,075 birds. It's a white eye hen, very nice eye and a nice wing. Show you the wings. She won with a velocity of 1,280 meters per minute. The race was released with a northeast wind, warm weather, temperatures going to 25-26 degrees during the whole race. But once they passed Paris, they went over to a southwest wind. From there, the velocity of 1,280 meters per minute. So she's the fastest of plus 11,000 birds on this national race. Congrats from the Herbots team to Esther Vereecke from Beerzel by winning her first national race, and we are convinced there will follow other national victories soon. Congrats!
Thank you.